Hello, welcome to the Eagle 6 test video. We're just going to be testing this Tokimori MP7 that has came in with sleepy trigger. So you can see here, fixed. Gentle squeeze. Shouldn't require obviously a hard pull back or anything like that in order to operate. All locked out. The fix for sleepy trigger, obviously on this particular one, but let's assume it's all of them, was the actual hammer unit chassis itself. It develops play on the actual hammer and the pin that goes through it. So it means that the actual hammer itself basically moves off to the left at an angle, meaning that a small portion or one side of the hammer is now covering more of the release sear than it is on the other side, which is covering less of the release sear, which is the far side is the safety sear, and then the close side is the main trigger sear, so or sear 1 and 2, however you want to describe it. So basically that means that there's nothing wrong with the trigger bar, there's nothing wrong with the trigger, nothing wrong with the first sear. They are all pulling back the correct distances, and nothing has changed there or worn about those, but what has happened is that the repeated moving backwards and forwards of the actual hammer itself over time has basically created a wobble backwards and forwards, which is ever so slightly created a little bit of lateral play in the pin, so it allows it to just pivot to the side just at a diagonal angle like that. So I mean, it's almost so little that you can't see it, but replacing the actual chassis and the pin, instant fix. And I'm pretty sure not many people know about that, just because of how many we have in stock of them. So and how many people complain about sleepy trigger not being fixable or plaguing their lives. So yeah, replace the chassis, replace the pin, and then away you go. No need to replace all the other bits. But yeah, that was the fix for this particular one. Pretty sure we nailed it 100%. So yeah, and as you can see there with the test, it all works fine. So cool. I hope you enjoyed.